Hi, we're the Conifers and we work together to do mild trail maintenance and trash cleanup. We were assigned to visit the Trustees of Reservations trails, hike, and help with maintenance along the way. Through clearing paths of obstacles and trash, we got to learn hands-on how to make the places we enjoy better for others.
The Trustees of Reservations is a nonprofit land conservation organization whose mission is to prepare the Commonwealth's landscape and keep these landscapes open and accessible to everyone. We chose to work on this specific project because a lot of our group members have had ample experience hiking on trails and picking up trash themselves. Civic engagement is any type of action or activity that is addressing any type of public concern. Civic engagement is important because it helps address the public concern within the community and helps develop a sense of leadership and awareness of change through action. The average common plastic takes 500 years to decompose. The average human lifespan in the US is 79 years. That means if you were to buy a cup of coffee with a styrofoam cup one day, it would take 6 human life cycles for it to fully decompose. All for that one cup of coffee.
Like, it's already full. It's already full, and that was just the beginning.
Coffee today. And some plastics don't even decompose at all. Not to mention the high consumption of coffee in the US on a daily basis.
I think environmental leadership is very important if we want the Earth to last. There is a lot of talk about caring for the planet, but much less action coming from both people and companies that are causing lots of the damage.
Plastic bag. Oh.
While hiking some of the trails, I was shocked about how well maintained some of the trails were. The trustees do a great job maintaining their trails, but on the other hand, I was surprised at how much litter we found at some of the places.
Even though there were 2 trails, one on Mount Warner and one on Petticoat Hill that didn't have a lot of trash, they were breathtaking to hike on.
Ooh, yummy.
I think the work we did was important because it gives others the opportunity to come out in nature and see it for what it is, rather than a dumping ground. Picking up litter also prevents wildlife from getting hurt and by swallowing it or getting tangled in it, and it cleans up their habitat.
There was one location in particular, the land of Providence, that had an obscene amount of litter, definitely more than we expected. And after filling over 3 trash bags on such a short trail, it was so rewarding to make the loop back and see the results of our work. We left that site knowing that the next people to walk on the trail wouldn't have to pull into a lot resembling a landfill in the making. We understand that environmental leadership is a necessary component of conserving the Earth's natural resources. We can't mitigate climate change or unsustainable practices if we don't take action and lead change. If everyone started volunteering more and embraced environmental leadership, not only would the world be a better place, but I think everyone would start to feel the way we felt after completing our work. Happier, more spiritually fulfilled, and more united.